Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn on iMessage. iPhone settings explained step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Find and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps if your iPhone shows this menu. Look for Messages and tap it to open Messages settings. If you do not see apps, scroll directly and tap Messages. At the top of the page, find the iMessage toggle switch. Tap the iMessage switch to turn it on. Wait a few seconds while iMessage activates in the background. If you see a pop-up about possible carrier charges, tap OK to continue. Stay connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so activation can complete. If you are asked to sign in, enter your Apple ID and password. Tap Sign In and wait for your account to verify. After signing in, tap Send and Receive. Under you can receive iMessages to and reply from. Select your phone number. Also select your Apple ID email address if you want messages on multiple devices. If your phone number is not selected, tap it and wait for it to verify. Go back one screen to the Messages settings page. Turn on Send as SMS if you want text to send as regular SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Tap Text Message Forwarding if you want iMessages to appear on other Apple devices. Enable the devices you want to receive messages on, if you use them. Go back and tap Notifications to confirm message alerts are enabled. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on so you do not miss messages. Return to the home screen and open the Messages app. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner. Type a contact who uses iMessage, such as another iPhone user. Type a short test message in the text field. Tap the Send button and check that the message bubble is blue. If the bubble is green, recheck iMessage is on and your internet connection is working. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.